Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the most successful investors of all time. He was born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, and showed an early interest in business and investing. As a child, he delivered newspapers and sold chewing gum door to door, displaying a knack for making money even at a young age. Now his net worth is $130 billion. Net worth is often thought of as how much cash you have, but that's only one component of it. The other components are the assets you own. Having cash is a good indicator of your financial situation. Putting it in a savings account is a safe option because it keeps pace with inflation. However, the downside is that it grows slowly and won't make you wealthy. To build wealth, you need assets that offer higher returns than cash. In this video, we will discuss 10 best assets recommended by Warren Buffett that are better than cash and can help you retire early. 1. Livestock. It may surprise you, but pigs, cows, chickens, sheep, and goats are all seen as valuable assets. Specifically, animals raised for future use are considered capital assets, similar to stocks. Interestingly, the expected return on investment in livestock is quite favorable, making it a compelling option for investment. If you're concerned about the risks involved, consider that investing in livestock can support the 1.3 billion people who rely on livestock for their livelihoods. In fact, 40% of the livestock output comes from first world countries, while 20% comes from developing countries. The only scenario where this trend might change is if humans no longer need to eat, which doesn't seem likely to happen anytime soon. 2. Land. Livestock often requires land for grazing or shelter, but land itself is a valuable asset. Buying farmland, for instance, can yield consistent returns for decades. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, there's currently enough land for crop production, suggesting a stable market. In fact, land prices have risen by 7% in the last year alone, a trend ongoing since 2007. Investing in land can be a lucrative long-term strategy. 3. Mutual funds. Bucks are the primary thing people think about when investing, but there's a safer option. Over the last 10 years, large-cap funds have returned an average of about 13.36%, as per Value Research. Investing in individual stocks is riskier than owning shares in a mutual fund. Depending on your savings rate, you can become a millionaire in as little as 10 years with mutual funds. Warren Buffett, a proponent of low-cost index funds, highlights their benefits. You don't need to do research, as the index comprises all the stocks in a specific index, such as the S&P 500, which includes the top 500 American companies. 4. Real estate. Real estate is a prized asset for its stability and steady value increase over time. Unlike stocks, it typically experiences little volatility. Despite soaring house prices, real estate investments often yield consistent returns. Considering this, investing in real estate might be a wise move despite the high prices. 5. Value stocks. Buffett warns against buying a business solely because you think its value will rise, as predicting the future is impossible. When Buffett buys a business, he looks at its earnings and decides how he feels about it in terms of what he paid. He focuses on buying something that not only retains its value but also generates additional value over time. Some companies that have increased in value over time include consumer goods companies like Coca-Cola, which Buffett has held for 35 years, and tech companies like Apple or Tesla. 6. Handbags. High-quality purses made from exotic materials like lizard or crocodile skin can appreciate in value. For example, high-end Birkin bags have seen a 14% annual increase in value over the last 35 years, outperforming the S&P 500. Some luxury bags can even cost millions, such as the Mawawad 1001 Nights diamond purse, priced at $3.8 million. While investing in these bags can require a significant initial investment of $10,000 to $30,000, you may find discounted prices on platforms like QVC or Poshmark. 7. Commodities. To pick a product, consider crude oil, cotton, gold, silver, or anything with utility. While cotton serves a purpose, gold lacks utility. Investing in businesses that produce goods may outperform non-producing assets over time. Rising prices can create excitement, leading people to invest in assets like gold. However, historical trends suggest this isn't the path to wealth. Today, commodities are popular investments due to computerized trading systems. These systems allow trading in metals, energy goods, and agriculture items globally through options, futures, and forwards. Buying commodities no longer requires owning the physical goods but making it accessible to traders, arbitrage experts, and hedgers. Commodities are also seen as inflation-proof, as their prices tend to rise with inflation. 8. Silver. Silver is used in various areas such as solar energy, cameras, telephones, and computers. Obviously, it's a very useful asset, considering that computers and phones are part of every single household. Silver also aligns with the Warren Buffett rule, which emphasizes an asset's natural and observable value. 9. Gold. It's possible that the price of gold could increase by an impressive 1,000% from its current level by 2033, offering a potential return of 1,000% in just 10 years. While this is just speculation, there are some fantastic times to buy gold according to Gold Silver. These times are early January, early March, early May, early June, and July. 10. Yourself. Before investing in any asset, remember that you're the real money maker. With that in mind, it's always best to focus on yourself before any single asset. Focus on yourself first by identifying your skills and unique qualities. Take the time to find what brings you joy and how you can turn it into a lifelong career. Consider individuals like John Curran, the highest paid drawing artist, and Kylian Mbappé, the most highly paid footballer, who are doing what they love and making tons of money. There's no reason why you can't do the same. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to not miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.